Session suspended.
The wait is now.
Tama yun. Ngayon, kung mananating sila at pero yung costo din nandito. September 8, kaya nga nung September 8 nga. September 9, hindi na ako yung chairman. Alam mo yun? Hindi nga. Ang sinasabi ko lang, halimbawa, kung hindi na ako, ikaw na kinusulta ka ba? Yun ang gusto ko lang. Hindi yung speaker, mas gusto ko kung ikaw ang kinusulta. Ako, hindi kasi ako yung kasama yung content. Hindi na yung content pag pinag-usapan yung politiko kasi gusto natin siguro. Ngayon, hinirap siya, umayat na tayo. Pero ang kanyang condition na binigay, so immediately after the hearing. September 8 yung ano. September 8 ang sulat. Kaya nga, pero yung condition mo September 8. Ibalik mo in the Senate, hindi sa PNP. Pero kinonsulta ka, alimbawa, ikaw na ano naman bro, kinonsulta ba, chairman? Yun ang request ng one. Ang kinonsulta kasi yung speaker eh.
Walang kinukonsulta ako. Walang kinukonsulta.
Hindi nga nag-request nga si speaker. Kasi kung saan request si speaker,
Hindi ako nag-desisyon.
tapos naman lang siya.
Sinasabi ko, sinukonsulta ko. Hindi kailangan niya eh. Ay, bawal yung tapusin.
Naiintindihan ko yun. Pero yung consultation is important because yung Senate cost ko din nandito. Yan yun ang condition yung binigay. But that was the condition that the Senate.
Kaya nga, pero nung ipinapalit ko,
Legal, and physical.
ano ba gusto mo? Ipalit ito.
Hindi naman ang tama eh. Sabi ko, hindi na kailangan ng motion dahil ibabalik natin yung
He wants to take it to the floor. Let the money be
Desisyon na wala, bakit ito pinahiyakan? Paano mo tayo? Kung gusto ko, ganun mo gagawin.
paano tayo mga kailangan sa kanila? Para fair kung check kung ano yung pero hindi natin siguro kukunin na question sa kanila din. Hindi natin.
Hindi naman nila kinukuha ko sa akin. Hindi nila kinukuha ko sa akin.
Pinanda muna tayo.
The status is we were in debate about the status of the witness, Bryce Hernandez, Mr. President. So I think in consensus, would you like to make the motion, Mr. President, on where to? Yes, Mr. President. Therefore, yes. Can we recognize Senator
Senator Jinggoy
Can I just make a
Estrada is
motion,
recognized.
Mr. President, Majority Leader? I move that we commit Bryce Erickson Hernandez to the Pasay City Jail, Mr. President.
I second the motion of the good
Any objection?
gentleman.
Chair hears none. And the chairman of the Blue Ribbon concurs. Hearing no objection, the Bryce Hernandez is hereby
Mr. President, if I may, but just to put on record that it's with the understanding that the Senate retains its jurisdiction over that person, Mr. President. Just
Of
to put that
course.
on record, Mr. President.
Of
Thank you.
course, it has never been the opposite. He was always under our legal custody. So the motion is to transfer that particular person to the Pasay City Jail. Any objection? Chair hears none. Motion is approved. The Sergeant at Arms is hereby directed to transfer Bryce Hernandez to the Pasay City Jail as soon as possible.
Just a manifestation, if I may, Mr.
Senator
President.
Estrada,
Mr. President, I think we have to ask the OSA to be strict in implementing the rules with regard to the visitation hours of a prisoner, Mr. President. No visitors allowed. Only
Lawyers.
immediate members of the family, lawyers, priests, etc., etc. Thank you, Mr. President.
Yes, the Sergeant at Arms is hereby directed, and make a list of those who will visit him.
Yes, we'd like to
Thank you.
recognize Senator Marcoleta, Mr. President.
Senator Marcoleta is recognized.
Ang isyong naiwan dahil noong September 8 po, while I was still the chairman of the Blue Ribbon, napagkaisahan po ng komite dahil sa noong September 1, kung maalala po natin, as chairman, I floated the idea na para makatulong po kung merong gustong lumabas na do sa 15 na kasama sa pagdinig, makakatulong po sila ma-identify po lahat ng mga kasabwat sa anomalyang paglalatag ng mga proyektong pang flood control. Pinload po natin yung idea na kung gusto ninyo, ay kinakausap na po namin ng DOJ, you may be provided by provisional immunity. Of course, pag-aaralan natin kung qualified kayo. Sa nakikita naman namin, basta hindi kayo most guilty at napakarami pong ibang mga requisites doon, tinignan po natin mabuti. After 1 week, Mr. President, dalawa pong mag-asawa, yung Diskaya, ang naggawa po ng sworn statement. Pero bago po nila gawin yon, ay siniguro ko po na talagang sila ay voluntary na gagawa ng sworn statement. Kaya yung pong kanilang emissary, sinabi ko, kailangan sumulat muna sila na talagang gusto nilang magsalita at walang halong pagsisinungaling ito. Yun ang option na gusto nila at narinig nila yung aming pinopload na option na sila'y lumabas bilang isang witness, a state witness. Yun nga po ang nangyari, Mr. President, hanggang sa sila nga ay tumestigo sa komite, dala-dala at binasa nila yung kanilang sworn statement. Nang dahil po doon, Mr. President, ay gumawa kami ng sulat sa ating kalihim ng Department of Justice. At yun nga po ay September 8, 2025. Gusto ko po malaman, Mr. President, ano po yung status noon sapagkat kayo na po ang pumalit na Senate President by that time.
Yes, the proposal and your intention is indeed, yes, it's laudable. We may be able to get state witnesses there, no? But that September 8, evening of September 8, when I was informed about it, what I did was to decide that the issue be referred to the Blue Ribbon Committee, especially knowing that there will be a new composition the following day. That was quite late at night when I received the notice.
Mr. President, if that happens, parang ang aming pong pinag-usapan noon while I was still the chairman of the Blue Ribbon Committee, parang nawalan po ng saysay. Ang mangyayari po noon, with all due respect, baka po ma-compromise o mawala po yung integrity ng proceedings natin. The integrity of the inquiry is very, very important here. Sila po ay pinangakuan namin sapagkat nagpapasaklolo sila. Alam nila na may panganib ang buhay, hindi lamang sa kanilang mag-asawa kung hindi yung pamilya nila. Kaya nakita po namin ang urgency. Mr. President, September 10 na po ngayon. Kung sakali pong totoo na nanganganib ang buhay nila, yun pong ipinangako namin na immunity sa kanila na makakatulong po. At yun naman po ang naging courage sa kanila para lumabas into the open and tell all. Nakita naman po ninyo, talagang initially nakapagsalita sila nung inaakala nilang kasangkot po allegedly sa mga maanumalyang paglalatag ng flood control projects. Kaya po, ang tanong ko ngayon, kailangan po bang pagpasyahan ang bagong liderato ng Blue Ribbon ang isang bagay na amin na pong naaproba nung kami po ay nandun pa sa Blue Ribbon?
Mr. President?
Majority Leader.
Yes, Mr. President. May I ask for a minute suspension so that both leaders, the former leader of the Blue Ribbon and the newly elected leader of the Blue Ribbon Committee, can discuss for just a few minutes this operational matter amongst themselves. May I ask for a minute suspension?
Session is suspended.